Everyone, and welcome to your last video lesson about cultural facts in Britain. Today we are going to talk about something very special. It is something that the English drink all the time. That's right, a cup of tea. There's nothing more popular for the British as a cup of tea. But how did the Chinese tradition make its way into the British culture? Well, tea is a very popular drink in many countries. People drink it at home, in tea shops, at school, and at work. They enjoy it hot or cold or with ice, and some people like it sweet or spicy. A legend says how the Emperor Shennong in ancient China first discovered tea. One day, he was sitting under a tea tree. He boiled some water in a pot to drink. Dry leaves from the tea tree fell into his hot water. He tried the water and it was very tasty. Tea is easy to make. Put a tea bag, Earl Grey, a tea bag, in a cup or in a glass or in a mug. Yeah? Add some boiling water. You don't have to wait long. After a few minutes, your hot drink is ready. Scientists believe green tea is good for your blood and that black tea helps your brain function. Have you got a cold? Then you should try lemon tea. But be careful. You shouldn't put too much sugar in it because too much sugar is bad for you. Well, that was all about tea. Now, try to do the exercise listening to my text and circle the correct answer. Okay, bye for now. Bye everyone, and welcome to your